In this episode, we will be learning how to flip text in Canva. To flip text in Canva, first of all, open your Canva application on your device and then create a new project or open up a recent design where you want to flip your text on. I'm just going to create a new project over here. After you open up a project or a blank canvas, go ahead and tap on the text option at the bottom. Select the default text styles from the menu and then add in a text in the text box. Now, select the text layer once you add it and then tap on this little icon with a plus in it. This will then duplicate your text layer. Now, select the second layer that you just copied and click on this little circular loop kind of an icon and flip the text just like that. Flipping text is often used for creative designs or mirrored text effects. Make sure that both of the text aligns to each other. That's how you flip a text layer in Canva. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. I'll see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.